Kyrie Irving's had a special night. The split of the pick and roll. Look how tight that handle is. The balance on the jump shot, just knocking it home from three. And Kevin Love, a struggle early offensively, made a three to get out of that funk, but really it started in the second half, getting on the offensive board and doing the grunt work that every team needs.
Well, LeBron James was saying that they need Kevin Love to play at a very high level to win a championship, and it's part of his responsibility to get him playing at that level. As Sullinger, they wave it off, an offensive foul. Love steps in and draws the charge.
And when you talk about a high level, it's not the numbers. He's played at an extremely high level. It's plays like this. This is the second time he stepped in and taken the hit on the defensive end. That's a great job of rotating and putting yourself in position to get the stop.
Every big has to be able to protect the basket. Some can do it with shot blocks. Guys like Love, who are challenged to elevate, have to do it by protecting it with their body. They're taking the charge.
Irving drives and finishes. Challenged to elevate. Does that mean you can't jump?
Exactly.
Why'd you look at me when you said it, too?
Well, you would have made him. You look like a high flyer compared to him.
And there a double-double from Love. Obviously hasn't shot the ball well, but he has played a good, tough game. Made some nice passes as well. And you see the 8 free throw attempts for Love. They have shot 81% from the line, 22 of 27, the Cavaliers. Sullinger as Irving took a stumble. And Sullinger takes advantage. Irving a little gimpy getting up.
Remember, he had a hip injury that bothered him most recently.
Something tells me he's fine on the offensive end.
James, quick spin, kicks it out, Shumpert wide open, in and out. Turner gets a running start. Throws it ahead to Bradley. Bradley from inside the arc. Gets the bounce.
Even Bradley doesn't get enough credit for how improved he is as an offensive player. There was a time where he was just a natural lockdown defender.
He's a guy that can shoot the basketball and also play out a pick and roll.
Love throws it into James. James inside of Mozgov, who stripped and hit. And the Celtics in the penalty, so Timofey Mozgov goes to the line. An 11-point game with 4:41 remaining.
Mozgov in his 5th year in the league, a former New York Knick.
And then with the Denver Nuggets for parts of 5 years before the trade. Crowder comes in, Bass sits down. Mozgov played with Vlad, as you see, on the
Russian national team, winning the bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics.
13-point lead now for Cleveland. Celtics still shooting a terrific percentage, 51% from the field if they trail by double figures. Shumpert pressing Thomas. Gets inside, shot blocked by Mozgov. James lobs it ahead. Mozgov can't finish. Rebound Sullinger. Mozgov took a shot in the groin. As Thomas drives, feeds Turner, count it, and one. Now, good fast break from the Celtics and a chance for a three-point play. Mozgov struggling a bit after taking the shot.
Is one shot at the Turner. A good read by Isaiah Thomas, pushing it in transition. Gets Kevin Love to commit. Drop-off pass to Evan Turner. Three-point play.
Turner, 10 points, 7 boards, 5 assists. This is the closest the Celtics have been here in the fourth quarter. They've trailed by as many as 18 here in the fourth. They were down 20 in the third. James against Crowder. Drives hard. Flips it up and in. for LeBron James.
Great finish, but there has to be a little bit more support on the help as Isaiah Thomas knocks down another one.
They're going to count it as a 2 for Thomas. They'll review it. Thomas got himself a double-double, 22 points and 10 assists. James finds Love, three-pointer. It's good. 13th three-pointer for the Cavaliers.
That's what I was talking about, that vision of LeBron James. He made that play for Kevin Love.
Crowder tries to answer, way off. James grabs the board. As we come up to the 3-minute mark.
The three-point weapon has been enormous for Cleveland, especially since the acquisition of J.R. Smith.
James inside the arc, can't get it to go. They had a franchise record three-pointers made this year. Turner can't hit. Crowder's tip doesn't go. Mozgov diving on it. Turner trying to get it. Irving comes out. And they're going to call a foul on Crowder. Yeah, we'll take a timeout.
The vision and playmaking ability of LeBron James. Forces the help. Commits in the air. Looks like he's in trouble. Love in the corner. 3-ball.
ESPN's NBA playoffs on ABC. Brought to you by Jim Beam. Make history.
First check. Maidana keeping them on the front foot. Agudelo to put in his.
In 2010. And then, of course, the Keilani Ricketts crop duster for Oklahoma.
It was nasty in terms of its movement.
Did you guys name your pitches back in the days of Smitty and Debbie Doom and all the legends of the early days of NCAA ball?
Just, two-seam rise. Bam. It's a little more common these days. People thought I was, why are you throwing it with two seams? You should throw the four seams. It's better with two seams. Just wait. You'll see the light.
Well, I love the fact that so much of what you were able to do came out of creativity and just a competitive fire to figure out a way to beat people. It wasn't always pretty, but find a way to do it.
That's one thing about baseball and softball. It's a gritty sport, and the athletes that excel are typically the ones that are, blue collar. They work really hard. They're first in, last out, practice, and they're just always tweaking, always learning. It's one thing even about Lauren Chamberlain. Talk to their coaches, Patty Gasso and company, Trip McKay. They say that she's always learning. She's humble enough to always want to get better.
Bondstrom draws the walk. The bases are loaded for Aaron Ashby.
Pitcher Aaron Ashby.
Started out at second base, moved over to first base, and then into the pitcher's circle today. A 300 hitter with 3 home runs on the season. Actually, the average has now dipped down to 284. Got him loaded right here with 2 outs. Way out in front of the off speed, 0-1.
Well, that's one of the things that Coach Hansen talked about this group of athletes is that they don't give up. They play with that championship mentality no matter what the score, no matter how many games they've lost. You can't ask for more than that.
Ashby fouled down the line. And Schauberg jumping out of the way.
That's never where you wanted to be at third base when there's a good hitter up in the box, especially when they can pull the ball. Righty. Ooh. Always make your mouth as small as possible.
Yeah, at least the defensive players got a glove down there.
They're behind the bag.
0-2 pitch. tried to take a bite out of the outside of the plate.
The chance to tell you about tonight at 8 on ESPN Sunday Night Baseball. Reds and the Cardinals on Sunday night. 8 p.m. Eastern. Mike Leake and Adam Wainwright, the expected starters tonight. Meanwhile, this afternoon on ABC, the Cavaliers and their game one here at home. Cavaliers this year won 53 games, 31-10 here on their home floor. And they won 20 of their last 21 home games, including an 18-game winning streak. Quicken Loans Arena has turned into a very difficult place to win.
I'm still waiting for an amen from you when I say Kyrie Irving is in the discussion with anybody at his position. He's that good.
Oh, don't take my silence as anything other than agreement. I mean, there's no question.
We're not married.
Well, but as I shared with you, wisdom is more important than intelligence, and that was a very wise thing you said about Kyrie Irving. And defensively, sorry, Mike, I just think his defensive intensity, Irving says, has been at a different level than I'm accustomed to.
Good defensive intensity for Mozgov, who rejects his third shot of the afternoon. The 22nd timeout called by Brad Stevens as game one has slipped away from this effort.
For Aaron Ashby. Sends that one deep to left, way back and gone! Stanford with the grand slam from Aaron Ashby.
Well, that just shows the fight that this Stanford Cardinal team has. Never down, never out. Pull themselves right back in it. Look at that pitch. It's a changeup, well high. And Ashby, you could see the swing, the trot immediately out of the box, knowing that ball was